Yonder, that's Rockwell.
Yonder, that's Rockwell area.
Rockwell. So some of the buildings of Rockwell is overlooking the Pasig River.
Across, that's Aqua Residences by Century also.
The white one?
The Century, oh, do you ever see? Yeah, I think
Century. Yeah, it's look.
I forgot. Aqua.
So that is the Mandaluyong Bridge.
Yes.
The bridge connecting Makati City and Mandaluyong.
Those are, so that's the Rockwell Square.
Power Plant Mall, is that the...
Over there, yeah, that's the one over
yung,
just behind.
Yung ano lang, yung mababa.
Just behind these two buildings here.
Yes, okay.
So that's where the Rockwell Club is. That's the Amor Solo Square. This is the first here. This one.
Ano yun? Yung parang bridge, parang Golden Gate. It's Golden Gate talaga.
Yeah,
is that already the EDSA?
That's the new one. That's the new one.
Not the EDSA, no?
Yeah, the EDSA, the one over there with
EDSA na yun?
billboards. That's EDSA already.
EDSA na ba yun?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So, right down is the Makati Avenue. Mahaba po ito. Yun yung JP Rizal, di ba? And then Kalayaan somewhere. Is that the Kalayaan Street?
Ito pala yung Rockwell, yung doon, Amor Solo Square. Ito pala, Hidalgo pala to.
Sang Hidalgo?
Ito banda dito, maliit.
Okay.
Sa kaya dito. Ayun yung Rockwell Square.
Dito, before the Pasig.
Yeah.
Mga Rockwell yan. Rockwell pa rin to.
Yun nga pala, tama yun.
Tama yun. Kasi Mandaluyong at this side eh.
Rockwell, Amor Solo Square to dito.
Exactly.
Ito sa kabila dito.
Yes, because what separates Makati City on this side and Mandaluyong City is the Pasig River. So this Pasig River, bumabaybay po yan hanggang Intramuros sa Manila, sa City of Manila. And then the Manila Bay, syempre. So yun naman, Makati Avenue extends right there sa Ayala Avenue. Napakahaba po niyan. Doon ba sa Peninsula Hotel, Manila, di ba? Then across it, Shangri-La, Makati. Yan po sa baba.
We're at the heart. That's the that's the, what do you call this?
Sun.
Yeah, we're at the red light.
The red light district. Where? Saan yung Poblacion, Makati?
Yeah, that's it. That's the Poblacion already.
That's the bar in Poblacion, Makati.
Poblacion.
Yeah. The Moulin Rouge right there. The Burgos Street, di ba? Yan yung Burgos, di ba? Pag ganun.
Ito na. The whole area. This Poblacion.
The red light district. So, gusto nyo gumala sa Makati, saka makita na maraming bars. Marami dyan sa street na yan. Just behind that, parang may triangular dyan, yung intersection. This is the Makati Ave, the whole stretch going there. So, there's basta na tatandaan ko may Moulin Rouge na yung ice mo. So, that used to be like, parang market, di ba? At mga stalls, may maraming food stalls. Ngayon, ginagawa na siya. I think, they're going to build. Yes. Yeah, yung may maraming kainan. Yeah. Oh yes, nag-iinuman. And now they're trying to build like a big, a tall tower probably kasi naghukay na sila for the foundation eh. And then that area naman is Quezon City. Nakikita ba ang Quezon City dito na? Ortigas pa. And I think somewhere there far is Quezon City. So
makita mo talaga yung
yeah. Actually maganda.
Antipolo, ano na yun doon?
Maganda pala yung, oh wow, there's a rainbow there. Right there, oh. Kita mo ba?
Oo.
Yes. And alam mo ba na at the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold?
Wait, where's my cell phone?
At the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold. Alright, that's it guys. An overview of Metro Manila. Like, specifically cities of Mandaluyong City, just after the Pasig River. Then in here is Makati City. So the two cities, they're beside each other here in Metro Manila. So it's Makati is more into the most upscale developments, and Makati Business District of course. So across EDSA, dyan naman yung Taguig and the Bonifacio Global City, BGC. Upscale naman yon, yung areas na yon. Ayun, that's BGC, nakikita ko. I think that's the W Tower, yung design. Yan, BGC, part na yan ng BGC after Kalayaan Avenue. Di ba BGC na yon? You're from Taguig Board. Di ba BGC yon? Yung W Tower yon, di ba? Nakikita mo ba? It feels like, yeah, it is BGC kasi 'Di ba yung may flyover dyan sa over EDSA, then papuntang Kalayaan Avenue? May check dyan sa app mo? Okay. Sinasabi mo, mali ang sinasabi mo. May chopper po doon. So, minsan po yung mga CEOs dito or the big names here in Manila, nag-chopper po sila going from place to place to save time kasi po busy sa business nila or may inahabol na meeting, di ba? So, I think it's gonna land somewhere on top of one of these towers here in Makati or BGC probably. It's going to the rainbow. See, the chopper is going to the rainbow. Anong gagawin niya sa rainbow sa Bahaghari? Pupunta po siya sa Bahaghari. Like what I said kanina, at the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold. What do you want to see at the end of the rainbow instead of the pot of gold? You want to see what happens in a bag of nips? Make a rainbow. Chocolate nips, a chocolate rainbow. Chocolate nips, and when the colors of the flowers is the painted trees, the sweet and delicious honey of the bees. When I want fun and get a bag of nips, then make a rainbow. Nips, nips. May advertisement pa talaga, ha? Yeah, that's a rainbow over, I think over BGC, over Taguig or over Pasig City. So kitang-kita po siya dito sa Makati City. Umaaraw na po eh. Lumalabas talaga yung rainbow after the rain, no? There's always a rainbow after the rain. Painit na kasi doon, somewhere in Rizal or somewhere in Pasig. Umiikot yung chopper, naghahanap ng tiempo para makaland. So may challenge po tayo. Guess where's the choppers going to land? Anong tower? Is it going to be over? Yun, parang sa Rockwell, oh. Over the green building.
No, hindi siya sa Rockwell.
Hindi ba yan part ng Rockwell?
I think it's BGC.
Halapan, hindi, BGC is there. Rockwell kaya yan.
Hello, layo.
What's that?
Saan ba yan? Rockwell ba?
What's that building? Yeah, it's Rockwell. Nandyan lang yan.
Sa ano? Ano ba yun?
It's a green tower. Sa may Rockwell area. Yun.
Basta yung round,
Sino kayang... I guess...
the round building in, Rockwell.
Let's guess who's gonna come out from the chopper. Kita mo? Makukuha mo ba dyan?
Let's see.
The rainbow is still there, oh.
One Rockwell yata yun.
One Rockwell. Sana tama ka, team. Magdilang ang Hellcats. So, sino-check pa namin kung sinong lalabas ng chopper. ang ano ng mga mata? Matang lawin. So, yeah, there's Mandaluyong City. SMDC's project is there, Light Residences. Kita ba dito? May lumabas na? Oo, nagbukas na nga ng pinto yung chopper, no? Sino kaya? Guess natin kung sino nandyan. So, yun, no? Light Residences is somewhere there. MRT Bonnie Station po. Just right next to it. Sa Mandaluyong City. It's an SMDC project. Shout out. There. Sino kayang lumabas sa chopper? So, ganito po yung view ng Makati City. So, if you're along Ayala Avenue, sa may Ayala area, sa may Glorieta Greenbelt, buildings po talaga yung nakikita nyo doon. But in this part of Makati, in Century City, right? So, we're actually in Century City sa Gramercy po na tower. It's a condo development din dito sa Makati. We're near Poblacion, yung mga bars dyan. So, dito makikita mo yung Pasig River. It's a different view naman of Makati. And then, may nakikita pa kayong mga residential houses dyan. Yan po, that area, that's part of Mandaluyong. And then, EDSA side, on the EDSA strip, that's EDSA na, along EDSA, mga tall buildings po yan. Yung Shaw Boulevard, yung Ortigas, tapos yung Cubao, somewhere there in Quezon City na. So yung mountains na nakikita natin dito is part of Rizal, di ba? Team? Rizal?
Yeah.
So yun.
All part of Rizal.
Ayos ah. So, yung Makati talaga is like the go-to place na pasyalan pag nasa Metro Manila ka. Kasi may malls, may bars, and unless you want to see the artists, you can go to Quezon City, you can go to ABS-CBN or GMA. So, makipag-meet sa mga artista. Oh, lumipad na siya ulit, yung chopper.
Ayan na, alis ulit ang chopper.
Umalis na siya. Paalam na, aking mahal. Masakit isipin. Paalam na, aking mahal. May instant background music talaga. Pag nahihirapan po kayong ano.
Video lang kami.
Sige.